What if I told you that it's really easy to look inside of an engine and see what kind of condition it's in? Would you believe me? Well, I'm going to show you how.
This video is sponsored by Autolite, manufacturers of high-quality spark plugs since 1935. Visit Autolite.com for more information.
Hey everyone, I am Josh with Motorcycle and Powersports News, and that window into how your engine is running and what's all going on in there just happens to be through your spark plugs. Spark plugs can give you a ton of information about how your engine's running, and while you're there, why not replace it with a little bit of an upgrade? So, that being said, we're gonna pull the plugs out. Let's see what they look like. So now that we've got this out, there's a couple of things that we're going to want to take a look at. First off is the porcelain in here. This porcelain is the insulator between the electrode and the ground strap on that. The second piece that we're going to look at in here is the ground strap. Now, these two are going to tell the tale of what's going on inside that cylinder. The porcelain, you want to look at the color of that, and this one's actually pretty black, which tells me this thing's either running rich or maybe we're pulling some oil from someplace. If you're sure of the condition of the cylinder, take a look to make sure we're not over-fueled, because that will cause that blackness that we've got there. The ground strap will tell us if we're a little bit too hot, too cold, or anything like that. This is in good shape, so it looks like we're in the right spark plug range. So let's replace it with a new one, go from there. So like I started this video, you can learn a lot just by simply removing the spark plugs. And while you're in there, may as well replace them, because it's a great maintenance item, it's an easy upgrade, and sometimes it'll give you that extra little kick out in the trail. I'm Josh Trokey. Thanks for watching.